Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna be showcasing a really great tool for you to get feedbacks on your products, like on your projects. So it can be a website or it can be designs, anything it can be. You can get feedbacks on it and in a unique way. So let's get straight into the website or the web app so I can show you how it works. Here is our today's website, that is punch list, and in their website they have stated it clearly what they are actually doing. This is the fastest way to get create yeah, way for creative teams to get project approval and feedbacks. So you may ask how they are doing it, so let me give you an overview. So here in the section, project section, you will give your project a name, then you can upload pdf of your project or maybe images, and you can directly connect it to a website also. Okay, and then you will write notes and just click on send it. Like, you have to create an account in order to do this, because otherwise you will not be able to see all of your feedbacks. Now in that place, what the users that with whom you are sharing the feedback links, what they can actually do is they can annotate in your project anywhere they want, just like just like clicking on the plus button. Wait, here you can see the plus button. Just like clicking on the plus button, and they can generate a point where they want to point the cursor, like what you have to change and all. As you can see it here, they are creating it. It will give you a rich text editor, and it will give you uh, the ability to mention a person as well. So as we can see it here, and in this annotation section you can do a lots of things. You can write text that we can see already. You can, obviously it's a rich text editor, that's why you can do a lots of things with the text. You can mention a person as well. Then you can record a piece of something through your webcam as well. And rather than that, you can attach file as well through your Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. So great addition, right? Now, with that said, what else can you do? And obviously, this is a basically sharing platform to everybody. So obviously you will share all of your projects, and you can live collaborate in this platform. Your other teammates can mention into the same directory as you guys are working on. So that is also possible. So that's about it about this website. Try it out yourself and let me know if you like it or not. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great apps or website like this, or some any other topics, open source design resources, coding resources, anything, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future video. Bye for now.